What's going on, guys? It's your boy Nate, and today we'll be changing the window regulator on this 330xi E90. So let's get started. First, you need a flat screwdriver. Take off the covers over here. Then you got two T25 bolts in there. You gotta take out. Got my ratchet T25 with the extension. Take these out. Okay, once those two screws are off, just pull them out so they don't fall. Okay. They get pretty long screws. And then you pop this cover over here, just like so. Take out the other screw over here.
And then
that screwdriver. You can really use a proper pry tool, but I don't got that right now. Working with what I have. And I broke it. No, I'm joking. That's it. This comes right out. Pops up. Boom, bing. Sensor wire. Just to pull out straight, pull it out straight. And then this just pulls right up from the back. And this is all glued on. You're just gonna have to pull it apart and glue it back on later if you choose to. See? Regulator broken. Alright, now I gotta disconnect this first so it doesn't damage your hand when you're taking it off. Now you gotta take off 1, 2, 3, voila. Make sure you support something on this window or else it's gonna fall right down your hand and chop it right off, possibly. So, when I got it out, there you go, boom, bing. That's where I put all my scrap parts. I'm actually changing two. I got them brand new. Probably shouldn't get them used because they can snap any second. It sits right in here. They go in like that. Snap it right in. And that's it. Just put the 3 screws back in. We should be able to toss it right in there.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so this green part here is the part that holds the glass to go up and down. So you gotta put it this way so the bolts can bolt back into the door panel. Time to put the 3 screws in. 1, 2, and where's your other screw? I have no idea. 3. Alright. 10 mil. Get it going with that 10 mil. Alright, now once all that's done, connect the motor and take out your devices. Alright, let the window go down to its corner. Right there. And now let's try it out. Alright, now I try out the window. Goes all the way down. Make sure it goes all the way up. No noises, perfectly fine. connect this for the window. Don't forget. Okay, then put the lock right inside of the hole over here. And then make sure you put the panel on from the upward part. Hit it down. And then you can get the other ones. Make sure the handle works. That's it. Make sure all the clips are in. Okay, now we can put our T25 screws in. We'll start from the end here. We're gonna put these on. And that's it. I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. Keeping up with your boy Nate. Let's get it.